Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to open camera by double pressing the power button. First of all, see here, this is camera. Okay, you are accessing camera feature through screen. Okay, suppose if you have locked your phone and if you would like to open camera by power button, just double press this power button and camera will be directly open. Okay, without locking into your phone, that is without unlocking your phone, you can easily open photo, or you can easily take photo using camera. Okay, see here, now phone is locked. Okay, just you are double pressing this side key, that is power key. Okay, and camera will be directly open. In this way you can easily open camera without locking into your phone. Okay, using side button in your phone, Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.